That was only 18 seconds.
Oh, it didn't take you anything. You got that one down.
Uh-huh. Good job.
You stood up to a long time earlier. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. It's only bad if it's concrete. The pillow. Give me the pillow.
Alright, now you see the back.
Show us just the thing with the right arm. Everything's out of reach. Now what?
Hello there, sunshine. Whoa! I don't think that was too nice, Mamacita.
You okay? No,
Good thing you have the little padding in there.
Yeah, it was straight back. She's trying to go straight back now. That's kind of a problem. It's a blind fall. You climbing the walls now?